Minute Mate time!
Great! It's Minute Mate time! Here's what we're going to make today. A lolly stick bookmark. It looks great and it also slides on to your favourite page like this, so it's easy to find. Fantastic! Now, to make one of these, you will need a black pen, a pair of scissors, 2 lolly sticks, a glue stick, 3 pieces of craft foam and some sticky tape. Now, do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute?
No way!
Well, fancy you saying that, Tocky. I think I can do it, although I will have to be very quick. Don't worry, though. I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Let's make it in a minute. Let's get our pink and yellow craft foam and draw an ice cream. So that's made up of a cone shape like that. And, of course, a big blob of ice cream. There we go. Let's very carefully cut those out.
Be careful!
I'm being careful, Tocky, don't you worry. There we go.
I like ice cream!
Yeah, I like ice cream as well, Tocky, but I haven't really got time to talk about that at the moment. There we go. Now, I'm also going to cut out a small circle of red foam. Now, that's going to be the cherry on the top. There we go. Right, let's get some sticky tape and our 2 lolly sticks. And I'm going to stick those lolly sticks together like that at the top. Then let's get some glue, put some glue on there, and that's going to be our cone position. Then some glue on there, that's going to be the ice cream, like that. And then that's going to be the cherry on the top. Add some detail to the cone. I've done it!
That was close!
Yes, that was a bit close, wasn't it? But now I can put my bookmark into my book by opening it up like that and then sliding it onto a favourite page. Very nice indeed. Fantastic! And if you've got more than a minute, you can make all sorts of bookmarks. Like this panda made with white craft foam. Or how about this wiggly bookworm made with peach-coloured craft foam? Lolly stick bookmarks made in a minute. Why don't you try it? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Draw an ice cream on the craft foam and carefully cut it out. Tape the ends of the 2 lolly sticks together. Then glue the craft foam pieces to the taped ends of the lolly sticks to finish your lolly stick bookmark.
Why don't you try and make it in a minute?